We are in the civil rights era.
As Memphis prepares to host the National Bar Association's 97th convention, its president, Judge Carlos Moore, talks with WREG about the importance of being here.
I think Memphis holds a sweet spot in the National Bar Association's heart in that it is considered by some to be ground zero of the civil rights movement.
The Moss Point, Mississippi native and Cochran Law Firm partner says the civil rights movement of today must listen to the outcry for justice as crimes against people of color escalate, such as the recent arrest of Brandon Calloway in Oakland, Tennessee. He's the black man chased into a home, hit with a baton, and shocked with a taser by police.
White terrorists in this country are easily accosted without being killed, but a black man can be driving while black, speeding while black, golfing while black, and he's almost killed or killed.
The killing of Memphis pastor Artura Eason Williams has rocked the community. Moore has some issues with the district attorney seeking an adult trial for the teenage suspect.
Amy does lip service to what she wants to do, but as far as young people of color, she prosecutes those people to the fullest extent.
He says the courtroom is not always a place for second chances, but sometimes it is. Moore also says the state of black America is one of unequal justice.
We are fighting just a pandemic, an epidemic of police brutality. It continues to happen time and time again. We still don't have equal justice in this country.
He says there's a greater need for diverse lawyers and judges.
We definitely need more black men and black women to go to law school, become lawyers, and become judges, because unless you walk the mile in somebody's shoes, you cannot feel what they have felt.
Judge Carlos Moore hoping to inspire a new generation of foot soldiers in the fight for civil rights.
Dr. King did a lot for us to get us to this point, but the race has not been won. The battle has not been won, but I do believe victory is certain if we continue to fight.
Alex Coleman, WREG TV, News Channel 3.
Trying to inspire others. Now the convention starts Sunday and goes through Friday. Judge Moore is also scheduled to be the keynote speaker next weekend for the Memphis NAACP luncheon.